Introducing the YesWelder Large Viewing Screen True Color Solar Auto Darkening Welding Helmet. Serious professional welders should consider using auto darkening helmets with continuously variable controls that adjust the shade from a light state to a dark one and back. These helmets protect from harmful light emissions at all times and darken to almost any pre-selected shade in milliseconds, thanks to quick-changing LCD technology. With auto-darkening helmets, welders can see clearly while the helmet is already in a down position. These helmets permit more continuous work, reducing unnecessary stop and start time, and the need for a welder to readjust a helmet and set a position. This upgraded welding helmet comes with True Color technology, preserves the existing optical clarity rating and visibility by reducing the lime green tint. With a super large viewing size of 3.93 inches by 3.66 inches with 4 premium sensors, the large viewing area gives you a full range of vision in relation to the welding area, enhancing operator control. The headgear with oversized comfort cushions provides extensive adjustability, settings, and improved support for a better fit and comfort. The headband will also hold in the upright position, and the helmet also comes with a silk storage bag, 3 replacement lenses, and a replacement lithium battery. Weld like a pro with the YesWelder Large Viewing Screen True Color Solar Auto Darkening Welding Helmet.